Okay, so sweet potato fries. I know everyone makes them, but hear me out. Most recipes either turn out soggy or they need a ton of steps and special equipment. This one is different. It's genuinely simple. The fries come out crispy every single time, and honestly, once you try them this way, you're never going back to the frozen bag. So let's get into it. First, I'll peel 2 sweet potatoes, then cut them into French fries shape. I'm looking for thick fingers that are not too long, so if your potato is long like mine, I cut it in half first, then into French fries shape. Now you don't want your sweet potato fingers to be too thick or they won't cook through properly. And if they are too thin, you will lose that nice texture and flavor. So we want sweet potato fingers that are more on the thicker side. And here's a tip for you if you want your French fries to be crispy. I will grab a clean kitchen towel and pat them dry to remove any excess moisture. Once that is done, I will go ahead and add the seasoning, and you can get creative here. What I personally like to add is about 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon of paprika, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I don't like to add a lot of oil in this recipe. Now mix everything together. You really want every fry to be completely coated. Oh, and I almost forgot the salt and pepper. I will go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix all your spices up really well to make sure it covers the entire fry. So I'm giving my fries a little massage. To bake your fries, you have 2 options. Either use an air fryer for about 30 minutes or the oven. I made mine using an air fryer and in 2 batches. Because first, I don't want to overcrowd the fryer, and second, I don't want my fries to turn out soggy. If you like this recipe so far, don't forget to give this video a like. After 30 minutes, the fries are all the way cooked through. For serving, to balance the spices, I like to dip it in sour cream and garnish it with a little bit of greens, and I like to use parsley on top. And there you have it. These sweet potato fries are easy, simple, and honestly don't require any fancy prep or equipment. You can have this as a movie night snack or a light meal whenever you want. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, let me know in the comments what spices you would throw in. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time on Meals by Mary. Bye bye.